Hi everyone, my name is Richard. Now I'm about to start my presentation regarding the IT strategy of our company, which is Culturejacks. Our group consists of three people, which are me, Richard, Saba, and William. In this in this assignment, I will be covering task 1, which is the mission statement and IT vision, and task 7, which is the web strategy and e-commerce website. Culturejack is a clothing company that focuses on men's and women's streetwear. The mission statement of Culturejacks is to create an affordable and accessible streetwear shopping destination for everyone. Now I'm gonna talk about the IT vision of Culturejacks. There are 5 business objectives here. The first one is customer relationship. The imperative of that objective is the easiness to reach existing customer, and the implication is that having a better relationship with existing customer. The IT enabler is the CRM system. And the second objective is sales. The implication is higher sales, and the IT enabler is the e-commerce website. The third objective is customer satisfaction, which has the imperative of effortless shopping from home, product delivery to doorstep, and the ability to have a good relationship with customer. The implication will be good reviews from customers and consequent purchases from customers. The enabler are the e-commerce website for the effortless shopping from home and the product delivery to doorstep imperative, data analytics software, and CRM software for the ability to have a good relationship with customer. And the fourth objective is target market. The imperative is to have a global reach, and the implication will be people from all across the globe will purchase the product from Culturejacks. The IT enabler will be e-commerce website and social media ads. The final objective is marketing. The imperative is easy to market new product and easy to engage with potential customer. The implication will be effective marketing strategy, and the IT enabler will be CRM system and the e-commerce website.
Saba, and today I will be going through the information system strategy matrix and later on the business processes too, and one of the swim lane diagrams which explains one of the business processes, and also a business IT alignment archimate model for Culturejacks website. Firstly, going through the strategy matrix, we have hardware components, which are basically computers and servers, to store inventory and customer details. Employees of the company, of Culturejacks company, are the ones who will have access to these devices, and they will require unique login details to be able to access them. The computers and servers are all centralized and located at the company's office. Then there are software components, which are basically office applications for general emails and verification processes. The software is on centralized computers managed centrally or by remote access, and these are accessible by authorized personnel only. These softwares are mainly on computers and some are on servers as well that can be accessed remotely. Then we have networking components, which are basically internet and the hardware connection required. The internet service providers are the ones who offer internet services, and internal IS groups provide servers and access to servers centrally or remotely. Global access can be acquired when internet service providers manage all nodes. Then we have data components, which are basically customer data, inventory data, and employee data. These are owned by the business firm, but it is accessible by the customer upon request. Then these are mainly stored on the company's computer systems or on the cloud storage of the company.
Information resource strategy. So a lot of what we needed to do for this part was to analyze the market of e-retailers, especially the fashion industry. And how we did that was through the Porter 5 competitive forces model. So this framework allows us to look at the way the market sort of works, and then analyze that, and then subsequently work out information systems that would benefit us. And then the internal analysis we did was through the Porter value chain. So that was where we then took a look at specific parts of our firm where we need to implement these systems. So, for instance, the inventory information system that we proposed would have benefited the web development side and also the administration side, which was very helpful. And then also what we decided was in human resources psychometric testing for our recruitment process, just to make sure that we could screen a lot of people and then narrow it down to the best candidates that were well suited to the positions that we're offering. And for the web developers, we decided that a collaborative hub, which would allow them to share ideas and work together in groups and teams. Something, for example, Slack is a very helpful place to sort of share ideas. The third way we analysed these information systems was in the resource-based view, and this allowed us to differentiate between information systems that we proposed that would attain us a competitive advantage, and then we compared that to information systems that would be sustainable in doing that. And I think that's a very important part, because if you attain the competitive advantage, it doesn't always equal profitability and efficiency. And I think one of the major things that we found is being able to process the process of having an idea for a product, for a trend. The trends are moving very quickly in the fashion industry, but the process of having that idea and then everything that goes into that process until the end product is there ready for sale on the website, we need to minimize that as quickly as possible.
The business processes we have implemented in our e-commerce website are accessing the website, placing an order, payment, tracking the order, shipping off the order, delivering the order, and then there is return, refund, or cancellation if the customer wishes to. And the swim lane diagram that we have chose is for the ordering process on the website. It starts with customer viewing the website, and then they are asked if they would like to sign up for staying connected with us. If yes, then they are asked to enter their details like the name, date of birth, and email address. And then those details are saved on the website, saved to the database of the website. And if they do not wish to sign up, then the customer can directly go to browsing the items on the website. The next step is when the customer sees an item they wish to buy, they select the item, and then the item's details are displayed. And after that, if they wish to add the item to the cart, they have an option for that. And if they do not wish to add it to the cart, they can go back and start browsing more items. After that, they are asked if they would, after they have added an item to the cart and display the cart, they are asked if they would like to check out. If they do wish to check out and they have found what they were looking for, then they are asked for their payment details to process with the payment, or else they are asked if they would like to shop more, which takes them back to the browsing items step. Then after they are asked for the payment details, the customer will enter the payment details, and then the bank verifies those payment details, after which the bank also checks if the customer's bank account has enough funds for making the purchase. And once the verification is successful, the payment is processed. And if there are not enough funds, then the customer is informed of the problem and is taken back to the payment details page if they would like to enter different card details or go with another approach. After that, once the payment is successful, the website emails a receipt and the tracking order details to the customer. Then the customer receives those details and views them, which is the end of the process of placing an order on our website. Next task was the Archimate model, and we have made an Archimate model for the payment process. It starts with the business layer. The main customer is the main role here and is the business actor who is associated with the business role, which is to generate revenue for the company. And Culturejacks web interface is used by the customer to access our website. Customer is also associated with the business process of payment, which realizes the generate revenue business service as well. Then moving on to application layer, we have application service, payment process, which serves the business process of the business layer. Then there is bank details as data object, which is required by the business service of payment process. And then we have customer administration system, which is the application component in the application layer. And this realizes the application service, payment process. Then next we have technology layer, where browsing device is the device used by the customer to access or view our website. It consists of database management software, which is composed of Culturejacks technology service and customer transaction server, which which serve the application component in the application layer. So as you can see, the business layer, application layer, and technology layer are all interconnected, which helps us see the business IT alignment in the website and for the company.
So, data strategy. It's a very important part of a firm's strategy in general is the way they collect data, how they analyze it, and then deliver it to. So, these are all essential parts of the data strategy. But the main one that we focused on was how we were going to deliver that data, and the conclusion we came to was we'd use a data virtualization. So, what that would do is allow us to project this data into a virtualized hub in the abstract layer where people can come and access that data, and it'd be centralized and very easy for everyone to be able to view organized data and make decisions based off of that. Another advantage of the virtualization is it's very cost and time efficient. It's also the data will stay very secure. There's a lot of room to use large amounts of data, and overall, it's probably the best choice that we could have made.
Okay, so now I'm gonna talk about the web strategy of Culturejacks. So the website created for Culturejacks is aimed towards young adults, which is the main target market for streetwears, and the website will be created using Shopify. Shopify is a software that enables you to create a website easily, and Shopify can also support all kinds of payments such as Visa, Amex, MasterCard, PayPal, Google Pay, and the monthly price for Shopify is also cheap. It's $29 per month, and you can also pay a little bit more per month, and you can get the domain from Shopify as well. Okay, so over here we have the homepage of the website. The theme used in the website is simple, and the colors used in the website is mainly black and white. Black and white is chosen because streetwear is associated with black and white as it is the current trend. And products are separated into categories, so it will be easy to find products. Okay, so now I'm gonna demonstrate the website. Okay, so this is the homepage of the website. Over here, you can see the featured collection products, and yes, there are some links in the bottom left part. You can click this one, and it shows some information about us. And then you can also click this one, show some questions. And if you want to find hoodies, for example, you can click this one. And then you can see all the selection of hoodies. If you want to purchase one, you can click. Then you press add to cart. And then you open your cart. You can check out the products here. And if you want to do a quick checkout, you can press this button with PayPal, Apple Pay. You can also enter the discount code over here. You apply it, and then the product will be discounted.
So the final part of the assignment is to, after the website was made, we wanted to run the accessibility report. So this went very well. We did a level AA, and we tested with Narrator. So it's a Windows application where wherever your mouse hovers, it reads out the tag of what you're hovering over, and we found that we were very successful in that sort of accessibility. So that helps people with vision who are vision impaired. And as for the rest of the accessibility, the report came out very well. We didn't have any problems with alternate text or contrast issues or anything like that, and it was we were very successful in that regard. So